AI applications in real life. AI intermediate level. Introduction. Artificial intelligence. AI is no longer just a theoretical concept. It is widely used in real-world applications across many industries. AI allows machines to learn from data, recognize patterns, make decisions, automate tasks. From smartphones to self-driving cars, AI is transforming how we live and work. Understanding AI applications helps learners connect theory to real-world impact. What are AI applications? AI applications refer to the use of artificial intelligence techniques to solve real-world problems. In simple terms, AI applications equals using AI to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Example concept. Data means AI model means intelligent output, action. Example. User query means chatbot means response. Why AI applications are important. AI applications are important because they automate repetitive tasks, improve efficiency and accuracy, enable data-driven decision-making, enhance user experience, solve complex problems at scale. Example concept. AI automation means faster and smarter systems. AI is now used in almost every major industry. Categories of AI applications. AI applications can be grouped into several major domains. 1. Computer vision applications. Computer vision enables machines to understand and process images and videos. Example concept. Image means AI model means detected objects. Applications. Image classification, object detection, facial recognition, medical image analysis, autonomous vehicles. Example. Face recognition systems unlock smartphones or identify individuals in security systems. 2. Natural language processing. NLP. NLP allows machines to understand and generate human language. Example concept. Text means AI model means meaning, response. Applications. Chatbots. Language translation. Sentiment analysis. Text summarization. Voice assistants. Example. Virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa understand voice commands. 3. Speech recognition. Speech recognition converts spoken language into text. Example concept. Audio means AI means text. Applications. Voice assistants. Dictation software. Call center automation. Accessibility tools. 4. Recommendation systems. AI helps recommend products, movies, or content based on user preferences. Example concept. User behavior means AI means recommendations. Applications. Netflix movie recommendations. Amazon product suggestions. YouTube video recommendations. 5. Robotics and automation. AI-powered robots can perform physical tasks. Example concept. Sensors means AI means action. Applications. Manufacturing robots. Warehouse automation. Delivery robots. Surgical robots. 6. Autonomous vehicles. AI enables self-driving cars to navigate and make decisions. Example concept. Sensors plus camera means AI means driving decisions. Applications. Self-driving cars. Driver assistance systems. Traffic prediction. 7. Healthcare AI. AI is transforming healthcare with better diagnosis and treatment. Example concept. Medical data means AI means diagnosis, prediction. Applications. Disease detection. Medical imaging analysis. Drug discovery. Personalized medicine. 8. Finance AI. AI is widely used in financial systems. Example concept. Transaction data means AI means prediction, decision. Applications. Fraud detection. Algorithmic trading. Credit scoring. Risk analysis. 9. E-commerce AI. AI enhances online shopping experiences. Example concept. User data means AI means personalized shopping. Applications. Product recommendations. Chatbots for customer support. Dynamic pricing. Inventory management. 10. Cybersecurity AI. AI helps detect and prevent cyber threats. Example concept. Network activity means AI means anomaly detection. Applications. Threat detection. Spam filtering. Intrusion detection systems. 11. Education AI. AI is improving learning experiences. Example concept. Student data means AI means personalized learning. Applications. Adaptive learning platforms. AI tutors. Automated grading. Learning analytics. 12. Gaming AI. AI is used to create intelligent game environments. Example concept. Player actions means AI means dynamic response. Applications. NPC behavior. Game difficulty adjustment. Strategy optimization. Real-world examples of AI applications. Here are some common AI-powered systems. Google Search. Ranking and understanding queries. Netflix. Recommendation system. Tesla Autopilot. Self-driving features. ChatGPT. Language generation. Amazon. Product recommendations and logistics. AI application workflow. Most AI applications follow a similar pipeline. Data collection. Down-pointing arrow. Data pre-processing. Down-pointing arrow. Model training. Down-pointing arrow. Model deployment. Down-pointing arrow. Prediction, decision-making. This workflow is used across almost all AI systems. Advantages of AI applications. AI applications provide many benefits. Advantages include automation of repetitive tasks, increased efficiency and productivity, improved accuracy and decision-making, scalability for large datasets, enhanced user experiences. Example concept. AI systems means smarter and faster solutions. Challenges of AI applications. Despite their benefits, AI applications also face challenges. Challenges include data privacy concerns, bias in AI models, high computational cost, ethical concerns, dependency on large datasets. Example concept. Poor data means biased AI decisions. Future of AI applications. AI is rapidly evolving and will continue to impact many areas. Future trends include more advanced automation, human-AI collaboration, AI in everyday devices, smarter healthcare systems, ethical and responsible AI. Example concept. AI evolution means smarter world. Concepts learned from AI applications. Understanding AI applications helps learners understand. Checkmark how AI is used in real-world systems. Checkmark how different AI domains work together. Checkmark how data drives intelligent decisions. Checkmark how AI impacts industries and society. Checkmark how to build practical AI solutions. Simple definition. AI applications. The use of artificial intelligence techniques to solve real-world problems and perform tasks that require human intelligence. Final summary. AI applications are the real-world implementation of artificial intelligence across industries such as healthcare, finance, education, transportation, and entertainment. They enable machines to learn from data, make decisions, and automate tasks. From chatbots and recommendation systems to self-driving cars and medical diagnosis, AI is transforming modern life. Understanding AI applications is essential for anyone learning AI, as it connects theory with practical impact and real-world problem solving.